In Old English, wold referred to forests, and the Weald is known for glorious rolling downs. This naturally wonderful green is perfect when used inside or out, a harmonious, rounded, richly blended tone. Available in a variety of finishes, including matte emulsion, eggshell, and exterior masonry. Fired Earth paint is formulated in the UK with the environment in mind. We take care to choose the correct and safe materials. All our paints are water-based with minimum volatile organic compounds. They provide exceptional coverage, are practical, hard-wearing, and virtually odorless. If you would like to find out more about our colour consultations, or you're in need of inspiration, pop into one of our showrooms where you can book an appointment or visit us online at firedearth.com.